Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency within the Mobills application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobills application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and password to log in. Once you have been logged into your account, you will be taken into your dashboard. Now, from this page, if you wish to change your currency, tap on the account icon at the top left corner and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. You will now be taken into the settings page, within which you can tap on preferences to find the currency option. Once you find currency, tap on this and you will be allowed to set your currency. You can use the search box and then search for your currency, and once you find it, you can simply tap on it and this new currency will immediately be set. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency within the Mobills application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.